Today we're at Riley & Sons in Bury, Manchester in their workshop, which is why it's noisy, talking about ancillary products. But I'm joined today by Colin Green, one of the directors at Riley & Sons, and our brand ambassador Guy Martin. Hi guys, right. First of all, MD4, your favourite. So it's good at water displacing, okie dokie. It's good as a light duty corrosion preventative. It'll lubricate and it will penetrate. So what more could you want, basically?
The best stuff, mate. Yeah.
Always carry some MD4 with you. I know you do. So.
Always. Anchor wax cracking stuff for a bit of under seal.
Brilliant. Yeah, so great for rust prevention, corrosion prevention. It'll do 2 years outdoors, 5 years indoors. So yeah, you can apply it by brush. You can let it down in kerosene and spray it on. So it's a good all-rounder for that. But yeah, very, very good for preserving components. Which is a good one.
Cracking stuff. The best hand cleaner. Lethal stuff that. It's lethal stuff that, the best stuff, mate.
Yeah, so you've got a choice of different hand cleaners. I mean, they've just got a different feel and texture to them. But yeah, I mean, at the end of a hard day, I want to get all that.
Get your hands clean. Hard day's grab.
Can't have heat your tea with dirty hands. So well, both of these are good, as I say. They've got granules in them, so they can get all the nasties out of your skin pores and various other things. So yeah, obviously. Oil spill granules, just in case.
Just in case, you've got to have it. You do have it,
You never know. So, yeah. So these are very effective. They will mop up a lot of volume of fluid. So, and obviously we need a safe workshop, which this one is, of course.
Yeah, we've got to be safe from slips and trips.
Absolutely. So these are some mainstay products. As I say, most workshops will benefit from these type of products. Yeah. So obviously we have other products, obviously, as in our ancillaries range, but these are probably some of our mainstay products. So worth considering for your workshop needs. There you go. Thanks, Guy. Thanks, Guy. So if you'd like to see any more content like this, visit the Morris Lubricants website or our YouTube channel.